you can't find yourself. That's usually pretty easy if you contemplate for a while, unless you confuse states with yourself or something like that, which people will do when they meditate or something and bring about peace of mind. Nothing wrong with peace of mind, but you see, that's a different matter. Say, I was looking at something, I don't remember, but somebody wanted me to do something, and so I looked at what they're doing, and okay, it's fine, but it's no. I got the wrong guy. See, and if they're going all different roads, but you see what they're doing is one, trying to build a better self-image and a healthier life, including a healthier mental state, which is not a bad thing. Say, well, as far as being healthy goes, it's very useful. See, so you get people to meditate and become peaceful and calm and stuff like that. It's very good for them. Lowers stress, relaxes them, gets them present, etc. So it's good for them in many ways. But see, then they can, and that's that's survival, though. You see, that's survival. That's all that is. It's good survival. It's good shoving. It's good survival, but it's survival. It's not the truth, and there's not an interest in the truth. See? When you're, whatever, when you're stretching and doing yoga, and the heat, you say, yes, I'm becoming one with what? What? You're becoming one with what? See? I mean, at best, maybe your mind, yourself, is becoming more unified with your body or something, because you're like getting into your body. Okay, that's good. Doesn't hurt to stretch. That's good. See? But if they think they're going to get enlightened that way, they're dead wrong. I don't think anybody, I could be wrong about this, I don't think anybody's ever done any yoga throughout their life that's gotten them enlightened. The yoga has gotten them enlightened. Now there might be somebody who does yoga and they got enlightened, what I'm saying? I'm not saying they're mutually exclusive. I'm just saying you can't stretch yourself into enlightenment. You can't eat yourself into enlightenment. You can't perform stuff on you that's going to produce a result. It's called enlightenment. It doesn't work that way.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.